Hello everyone, this is the video for lab 9 and in this tutorial we are going to make a web app where we will perform some data collection and the app will help us to record data, and we are gonna record some data for some trees for this app, and I will be doing partially for this tutorial. Like, I will do the task for one tree and you just have to do the things for about 5 trees. So the instructions are pretty straightforward, so follow these instructions to do the things. Okay, so we now at the very first we have to create a feature class. So we're gonna create a point feature class that will store the locations of the trees, and this web app or this recording method can be used for anything else. So you can perform any kind of surveys for using this kind of web apps. So I'm providing particular projected coordinate system corresponding to the area. Now we have to create several fields for that. So the tree should have about 5 fields for now. Do also assign the data type. So you have to look for 5 trees with 5 different species, with 5 different names. Not 5 different species. It's okay. Those can be any number of trees. It's better to record some different trees than type, height, and the recorder. I mean, this is the recorder is the person who is surveying and performing the data collection. Okay, when you are done creating the fields, save those. Now, if you locate to the place, and we will take a random tree feature point, and I'm doing this to so that I can make sure that every attributes are being stored correctly. Okay, we can just create a feature, a point feature here. You can also change the symbology and give it a tree. You can increase the size. After doing this, save your edits, then finish your editing. Okay, now you have to create domains so that you can easily input the attributes of particular trees or any objects that you are going to collect in your survey. So it's better to create domains in your geodatabase. So for this particular task, follow the steps I'm doing here. We just have to create two domains here, like we are going to create the height domain and the types domain, and it helps us to easily select the particular height or any attribute from a drop down menu. So these, the types or any attributes will be pre-assigned by us, and whenever we record or collect data, we can provide the attributes from this particular data types or attributes that we're gonna create in this domain. So for the type, there are two types, and for the heights, there are several heights. So when we're done, try to save this, and after giving the codes, click on enter, so that those will be saved. And go to the attribute table and create, and from here you have to select the domains that you just created, like the type and the height. Then save the fields, update those fields. Now if you select another, if you create another tree, you'll see that from this type you get the drop down because you created a domain for this type and a domain for the heights. So it makes very easier for you to assign some attributes to particular objects that you are recording or collecting through your survey. However, these are just for demo. Now we are gonna publish our map layer. For that, you have to share the layer as a web layer. Give it a name, give it a small summary. You can also assign some tags. Then you can change, you have to provide this as the root folder, and the sharing level can be the organization, like I am sharing it with the university. Then you can click on analyze to see whether your web layer is ready to be published. So you can see an error. For that, you have to auto assign some identifiers, and now if you analyze, you can see that no, there is no major errors. Then you can click on publish, and it will be published on the arcgis.com website. Now you have to go to ArcGIS and log in there, then go to the content to see your published web layer. From here you have to select it, then also go to the layer, then enable the attachments. We have to change some of these settings so that it gets published easily, and we can use that particular app and record some data through the app. save your changes. And we're not gonna publish it publicly in the Play Store or the App Store, but we will use the Quick Capture app of ArcGIS. Now we have shared it. Then after that we will create our Quick Capture project so that we can use the Quick Capture app from ArcGIS that is available on App Store or Play Store. We have to create a Quick Capture project, and this is the interface of the app that you will be seeing in your mobile. And when you will click on new feature, it will show you some images. So you have to go to some particular locations with different trees. Like you have to go to 5 locations around campus and click the pictures of the trees. If you scan this QR code, you will be able to connect the project from the ArcGIS Quick Capture app. So search the install your ArcGIS Quick Capture app in your phone, and then capture this. Okay, now you can see that whenever you capture the images and send those record, the images will be saved in this web map layer. So follow these instructions thoroughly, so you will be able to complete your assignment easily. So the data collection is that you have to capture 5 trees from different locations, and then you have to assign the particular attributes from the web layer or the web map. And I have I have taken some demo pictures. So these are the deliverables. Make sure to deliver each of these. You have to give me the web map showing the trees, the URL of the web map showing the trees. Okay. I have taken some images from the app. I downloaded the app and took some pictures, and I didn't take pictures of any trees. I just took the pictures of a wall, the ceiling, randomly. If you click on you can take these are the points that I took actually from the app. And now if you click on it, you have to click on edit. After that, you can see that there is an attachment. This will show you this will be the picture that you will click from your mobile. So it has to be the picture of the tree. Then you have to name the species of it, then give it the scientific name of it, and then you have to click on the type and the height as well. So I hope this video helped you out. You have to follow these instructions and simply get the data for 5 trees, and you'll be done with your lab. Thank you.